Hello and welcome back to Study Tea. Today I'll be showing you my January bullet journal spread for 2021. So I based it off of fireworks and bright colors to start this year off with a bang. It was a pretty simple spread and it didn't take me too long to do it, which made me really happy, but I was pretty happy with the final product. So this is what the calendar looks like. I've blocked out quite a bit of it, but the main point here I think is the title. I used the highlighters to create nice lines. Here is my tracker spread, so I have 4 trackers here: the habit tracker, what I'm thankful for, the brain dump, and a music section, which is actually my first time doing a music section, so I'm pretty excited about that for this month. And now we will jump into the weekly spreads, where I'll be planning out my weeks and writing down my school assignments. I have 3 variations, so this is the first one, and then this is the second one, and a common theme here is that I'll be including quotes for each week just to keep that motivation going. And then the next one that I have is another variation of the first one, and I just wrote out the days of the week in cursive. And now the rest of this video will be light music and a go through of how I did my spreads.